Let's consider a box, and on this box we are applying some force F1. After applying this, the box will start moving. To stop this box, we need to apply some force F2 in the opposite direction with the same magnitude. So now the box is at rest. That is nothing but its acceleration is equals to 0. This situation of the box is known as equilibrium. We can observe that on this box there are two forces acting in opposite direction. So from Newton's third law we can say that F1 is equals to minus of F2. That is nothing but forces are equal but they are in opposite direction. Let's bring F2 to the left hand side. We can write F1 plus F2 is equals to 0. In LHS we can observe that F1 plus F2 represents sum of all the external forces acting on the box. Therefore we can write it is equals to 0. We can also write this statement as net external forces on the body is equals to 0. So this situation, when sum of all the external forces, or we can say net external forces acting on the box is equals to 0, then it is said to be in equilibrium. That is, we can write equilibrium is the situation when net external force on the box is equals to 0. This is equilibrium of a box. If we want to define this equilibrium for a particle, let's consider a small particle in place of box. And on this particle, there are two external forces acting which are equal but in opposite direction. So now we can say that equilibrium of a particle is the situation when the net external forces on the particle is equals to 0. So this is nothing but equilibrium of a particle. Thank you.